Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the today function in Excel. Let's get started. The today function is another popular and useful function that Excel offers. First, we'll see how we can use the today function to include the current date anywhere in a spreadsheet. Select a cell to display the current date and click into it. Type in the equal sign and carry on typing today. Excel will suggest the function, so confirm it. Close brackets, hit enter, and that's all it takes. You see the current date in the selected cell. Excel automatically formatted the cell as date. If you'd like to change the date format to the one that is more suitable for you, right-click on the cell, select Format Cells, and choose the date format you need. Once done, click on OK. Apart from the current date, the today function can show which day of the month it is, and it will do so using numbers. Let's click into the cell we selected to display the final value. Type in the equal sign, but here, we'll go a slightly different way. We'll enter the function day, and then we can use the possibility of a nested function and include the function today within the day function. This way, Excel will extract the information on the day with the day function using the current date from the today function. We close the brackets of the function today and then add the closing bracket of the function day. Now press enter and let's see what we've got there. This function works similarly with the month, and it displays the information on the current month as a number too. Let's click into the selected cell one more time, enter the equal sign, and the function want. Within this function, we'll enter today as a nested function. The number of the current month will be extracted from the today function just as the current day was in the previous case. And let's have a look at our final example. We can use this function to calculate what the exact date will be 14 days from today. Again, let's start with the equal sign in the selected cell, type in today, and carry on adding a plus sign with the number 14, which is the number of days we need to add to today's date. Press enter, and the cell shows the date that will be in the calendar in 2 weeks' time. The same way, you can subtract a number of days from a current date. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.